everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 15th to the 19th of August 2022 on Monday. The community is both shocked and enraged by the passing of Buhle. Kokoko attempt to escape Gomora once and for all. Sibongile blames Zodwa for everything that happened to her on a Tuesday. Tati is in a deep dark place and no one can reach her. The teachers decide to give learners moral support. Teddy failed to raise money for the portrait on Wednesday. Kokoko meets his match in the jug. Teddy defies his boss to help Ntokozo on Thursday. Sibongile struggled to contain the leak of her pictures. The Molefes get an unexpected visitor, so don't want to erase every trace of Kokoko on Friday. On the cusp of fleeing, Kokoko meets his predators prowling at him. Speeches pause in for a young girl untimely passing. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.